सो गाइज हियर आर दिस सम चीट्स. इसमें कुछ चीजें लिखी है, अगर आंसर नहीं दिया हमने तो हमें ये चीट से खाना पड़ेगा या पहनना पड़ेगा, जो भी है वो भी ये चीट से डिसाइड करेगी. एंड द स्टफ ओवर हियर वी कैन सी इज लाइक टोमेटो सॉस. एंड अगर उसको पहनने में आया तो मिश्री इज गोइंग टू बी डिजास्टर. सी टोमेटो सॉस, देन विनेगर, देन chocolate syrup.
Sauce.
And
chocolate syrup.
yes, then we have coriander leaves. ये सब जो दिखा रही है ना, ये प्रांशी है, मैं नहीं हूँ. देखो मेरा मुंह ही छुपा रही है ये. So ये सारी चीजें हैं. And now without wasting any further time, let's get started.
That's alright. Hush.
So we'll start with you, Mishri.
Okay.
Ask me something.
So where do you hope to be in 5 years from now?
Interesting question. I'll answer this question.
Okay.
5 years from now, I'll be
Doing Charu Posha in Canada.
Ha. I'll be doing masters in Canada.
Okay.
If I pursue hospitality management, and if I'm like going to change my course in psychology, then I'll be doing my bachelor's in psychology.
Okay.
Because 2 years I'll be doing diploma.
Correct.
So
Okay.
my turn is gone. Now Mishri's turn. Yes. If you are going to get some ink, what would you choose and why?
Ink.
Yes, ink.
Tattoo, obviously. A Playboy bunny.
Okay, where?
Right here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Where no one can see what I've, tattooed myself onto.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm not gonna wear anything or eat anything.
Yes.
Whom did you hate the most in our class? 12th humanities. Okay, so 12th humanities was not mentioned over here. I added that.
I guess you. It's you, because you were not talking to me in the starting.
You did not talk to me in
Sorry,
the starting
this is
because
a
of
joke. I'm going to eat something or wear something because I'm
Okay,
not
so
going
with
to
the chits,
answer.
with the chits Pranshi.
Because okay, first we'll select what I am going to eat.
Yeah.
Yes.
See,
Okay now.
eat or
Okay,
wear.
she's picking it up, okay?
Yeah.
She does not know.
Chits.
Like, we do not know what
Please, I
is.
get something good.
You are
No soya sauce. It's a soya sauce.
Oh, she's gonna eat soya sauce. Are you gonna eat it or wear it?
Yeah.
That these two chits will
Yeah.
decide.
Okay. Look at that side.
What's this?
Give me like two options. Nice.
Okay, choose one.
This, please, I want to eat it. I don't want to wear soya sauce.
Eh.
Where should I wear it?
Are you gonna eat soya sauce?
Oh, where?
Wear it.
Wear it. Oh. So where are you gonna
Apply.
wear it?
I'll be wearing on my hands so that after that I can wash my hands. See, I have also done good makeup. Mishri, it will get ruined.
Sorry.
What are you doing?
Sorry.
Give me that spoon, Pranshi.
Give me a spoon, brush.
Oh my god. See, you have to wear the soya sauce.
Yeah, where?
See, I wear. Worn it. See, I have worn the soya sauce. જેવી coffee જેવી smell આવે છે.
She spilled the soya sauce everywhere.
All
So we
over
had
my
to
legs, all over
cut
the
it.
floor.
Blooper.
Yes.
So yeah, now you
my
gonna-
turn,
yeah,
Mishri.
yeah.
Here also some.
અલા કેમ આવે તો નવો ક્વેશ્ચન કરી.
Sorry.
Told you. Start.
Yes.
Okay, Mishri. So my turn. Now I'll be asking.
Questions.
Who was the last person who made you cry and why?
The last person who made me cry was Shihab Patel. We had a little fight over something really stupid, so I cried.
Why did you cry? This is proper reason.
And
Okay,
if
no,
you-
I don't wanna reveal the proper reason. I guess I'm going to, eat it
Or wear it.
something. Eat
Yeah,
or
now
wear
see,
something.
it's. Let us see what she gets.
Oh, I got coffee. I got coffee. Yeah.
Yes. Now let's
I'll
see
have to.
what she's
drink.
going to do. Drink or no, not drink.
I'm
Eat
not
it or
eat.
wear it. Okay, so now let's see what she's going to get. Eat it or wear it. Mishri. I guess wear it.
I don't want to wear. Oh yeah, I can wear coffee. I just don't want to eat it. I mean, I'm okay even if I. Oh, wear it.
Yeah.
Okay. I have to wear.
Where are you going to wear coffee? And that too raw coffee.
Here.
Okay. Do you know that we can make coffee scrub?
Yeah, I know.
It's good.
So you are going to apply coffee from now only.
Yeah.
Do you want a spoon?
No, it's okay. Thank you. I have coffee in my hand.
I cannot see.
See.
Show them.
I have coffee on my hand. Okay. I like how coffee smells. The coffee is good. Hey, madam. So I have wore coffee. Okay. Did you have any regrets?
Regrets regarding what? Any of my decisions?
Yeah. Whatever
Yeah,
you've
I
done.
have so many regrets. Regrets in friendship.
Oh,
Regrets
okay. Share that story. We want to know, right?
I'm thinking about any childhood friends to share. Yeah, I'll share. There was one.
नहीं 11 12 का चल
Hey, ऐसा थोड़ी होता है।
11 का नहीं this is not fair. Childhood friendships are
Yeah.
nothing. They mean nothing to me.
You just asked me, do I have any regrets? Any type of regret, right?
Yeah, but the first thing which popped up in your head was friendship. So,
No, there were other things. Like I regret.
but you did not say that.
doing dance because I don't do.
You didn't not like dancing.
I don't like.
I don't like dancing. I used to like.
And I don't
Dancing.
even know how to dance. If there is some trainer, then I can just copy it. But without that, I don't think so. I can dance. I don't have that other eye.
Yeah, me too. She can just read it and feel it. But
Yes, but no dance.
okay, so now it's my turn.
Okay, secret. Okay. Do you want to have any kids one day, and how many? How?
I would have 2 kids. No, I would have 1 kid. But I guess my boyfriend wants to have 2 kids. So,
So what
I
are you
guess
going to
I'm
do?
gonna
1.5?
so I guess I'm going to be having 2 kids.
You can even adopt one.
I don't want to adopt. No, I'm not cool with adopting. I mean, I know.
No offense.
Yeah, no
but it's
offense to
not
anyone,
part of
but
you.
I don't like to adopt a child. Like, I won't adopt a child ever. No. I'm sorry.
जो मेरा है वो मेरा है.
Exactly. So, okay. Who is your best friend? Girls. Girl.
You. In girls, you.
Only one.
Yeah, only one.
Me?
Yes.
What about Arushi?
They are my best friends, but like, see, Tarushi is my best friend since 10th, and she knows that.
Yeah.
ये वीडियो में है, इसलिए इसको बोल रही हूँ. And Kushi also knows she is my. See,
Yeah, I
the
got
one
it.
who
Yes,
knows
yes.
me
Hmm.
the most is she from past 1.5
2
year around because
Yeah, we were not that close in
Yes.
11th grade. I used to be with other
She
people.
knows everything, and I guess best friend knows everything.
Obviously.
मैं
You
तारुषी
cannot
के घर
have-
जाऊंगी ना उस दिन स्लीप ओवर के वक्त मैं उसको सब बता दूंगी.
Yeah,
तो वापस वो मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड में आज. Who was your first crush? Crush.
My first crush was when I was in 3rd grade.
Third.
3rd, 4th grade, 4th grade. Oh, someone's calling me. Okay, no. I was in 4th grade and
Who was it? Like a student or?
yeah, he was a really good friend of mine. And he
Same class?
still is a good friend of mine. We dated.
In 4th standard?
No, I dated him when I was in 6th grade. 6th, 7th. 6th and 7th. Okay.
Oh, I got him.
Yeah.
Yes, I know that person.
He's a very
From-
nice guy. He's a very nice guy. No offense.
Yes.
He's a great
If you are
person.
watching this.
Hi.
No. Okay, so ask me next.
Yeah, I'm gonna ask you one other question. If
You have to kiss a girl.
Who would it be?
No one.
Amongst your friends, obviously, not a stranger. You have to. It's a compulsion. You cannot escape the.
Okay. So I guess I'm not going to answer this question because I am not going to kiss anyone. But you are saying it is compulsory, therefore I have to select it.
Hypothetically, if you.
So I'll guess I select it. But I don't want to kiss any girl. Why should I kiss any girl? I'm not lesbian. Now I'll ask the same question to you. You decide. You decide anyone.
Okay, I jump in.
Please, it should
Did
be
you fart,
something.
Pranshi?
Should be something.
Pranshi farted, guys.
No.
Pranshi farted. Okay.
Vinegar.
Vinegar. Oh my god.
But it is.
Vinegar.
Please drink. Eat it. I can drink this vinegar, but I cannot.
Wear it. You can wear the vinegar. You cannot eat the vinegar. Dumbo.
We can drink vinegar.
Ew.
I'll do that for my teacher.
Hey.
Eat it very,
What?
eat it very, eat it very, eat it very, eat it very, eat it very. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 minutes.
There would be 4 chips.
Police. Police. Eat it, yeah. I'm opening this so that.
No. I'm giving my.
Have you ever?
I'm blowing kisses to my fans.
Okay.
Okay.
Take it.
See, guys.
Follow me on Instagram.
Spicy.
See. Can you see this haling water? Like looking vinegar? Vinegar?
Manya.
Have you ever drank this
No,
vinegar?
I'm not a psychopath. I do not drink.
I have just tried once. It's really bad. But it's okay.
Okay.
It is better than soya sauce.
Oh yeah.
Not. તારું જીન્સ ખરાબ ના થઈ જાય હો. 3, 2, 1. Back with my question. Is there any wild fantasy about any girl you want? Like if you were a lesbian, who would you date? From not our class or from like tuition, but any woman. May it be a mother of someone.
Mother of some.
Like you like Kylie.
Oh yeah.
In that way. But
Mother
no
of
Kylie answer.
someone.
No Kylie answer. I said you that answer.
Okay, I like. This is a public figure. She's a DJ too. Chantal. Okay, fine, whatever. Just chuck it. Okay.
Oh.
No Chantal. Chantal.
So you're not going to have
No.
that.
I will. I'm gonna answer it. Give me a second.
One eternity later.
There was this girl.
Don't send it.
Wait, I'm gonna. No.
Okay.
Give me something to eat, drink, or
Chips
whatever.
are there.
I thought no. I'm going to say that name. No. Okay. I'm so excited for what it's Mishri. What do you don't want from this? Like chili, coriander leaves, or sauce, or
I hate
What it is
coriander. I can
yeah.
eat chili.
that is eat it with. Cheers.
Some chili. Oh my god! I don't want to eat chili.
Yeah. What if you have to wear your?
But full you have to eat.
I cannot.
No, it's okay.
Or a big
Give
bite.
that to my.
Big bite.
Big bite, but
Big
not
bite.
full.
Big bite. Okay, dude, I'm gonna pass out. I swear.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
But you can drink water.
After that, yes. After you eat whole
Or
whole
eat
pass
this.
out from here, then you can have water. Okay, so now select Mishri. Which hand do you want? Okay. I want to. You can.
But
Yes! You did! Yeah! You did! Mishri, मजा आई गई. Video news.
this is too big one.
Ding, ding, ding. See, बता दे कितनी मोटी. Now Mishri is going to have a big bite.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a big bite.
I'm too excited for
Dude, I
this.
swear.
Me too.
Pani up.
Oh, first.
First you have to eat whole.
This
Like,
is-
it should pass from here.
Yeah.
Then you can have your whole.
Right.
Then what is the meaning of like
Yeah.
keeping it in the mouth?
Eat it.
Big bite.
Big bite. Okay, first.
You can do it, Mishri. Yes, you can.
You
Just
cannot
don't
do
think.
it. You can.
कर ले. कर ले. No. कर ले. Big bite. What is this?
Dude.
Big. Okay. No problem. See. उसने कितनी खाई दिखाती हूँ. कहाँ गई? देखो.
How much? is it?
You give me the water.
No.
She has swollen it. I love this challenge. Do comment down below if you want part 2. She'll eat 2 chilies in it.
Yeah. But this ingredients are nice.
No, we'll add some more. How was it?
Try it. Try it and see.
Next time, more
I
chili
like
powder. Chili powder.
Yeah, I guess we should have brought that chili powder to apply on your beautiful face. Like blush.
Really?
I guess you're blushing more now, Mishri.
Yeah.
So amazing.
Oh, you want to drink it?
Mishri asked me next question.
Yeah. Okay. Do you pee? Have you ever peed while you were standing? Be honest. Be honest.
It is truth. Everyone who have shower at their home and who bath in shower, they release everything in shower.
Oh my god.
I know you also do this. So my answer is over.
Okay.
Now it's my turn. Now I'm having like 2 questions.
ask.
One full sentence.
Ask.
First one.
Okay. What?
Have you ever peed in swimming pool?
No. I've never peed.
And
No.
have,
Like I wanted to pee, and like no one will get to know, obviously.
yes.
But no.
And have you ever like farted and you have blamed others?
Yes, too many times.
Did anyone ask you to do that? No.
But you tell me.
She told me, Francie told me.
No.
She does the thing and she blame her.
Oh, yeah. Sometimes
Tell
mother
them,
and
tell
father
them.
also.
Oh,
Yeah, it's true.
I don't do that. I don't do that. I do not do that.
So why am I laughing now?
I am a lawyer. You are not. I am studying law. You are
So
not.
you are farting. And why you are laughing?
I never fart, guys.
Oh,
I
whom
never.
you are trusting?
Yeah, I am, but I never fart. Okay.
are you a human or an alien?
Sometimes she is blaming mother or father like that did. And at night she is telling that
Dude, I'm gonna stop it.
dirty
Okay.
smell is coming and she's like you one, me and you. Me one lady. This is
She
true.
might be.
Let's not talk about it. Okay. I do
Okay.
not fart.
Oh, you are a big liar. And how
You
we
see,
are
everyone
lying.
does
No, I don't. I
But-
don't.
And you are big
No, I'm
liar.
telling you, everyone farts, but you are telling you are not blaming others, right?
No, I don't fart.
Oh, means she is telling lie.
Yes. How can you are a human?
Yes.
It's my turn.
Yes.
Yeah.
Have you ever scratched your bum in the class, like while you were wearing skirt? Or did the skirt, get into your bum line?
I know that fashion blunder, but
Yeah.
it never happened to me because see, in winters we do wear leggings, and in
I
summers,
guess you do.
yeah, I do wear leggings. But though it is summer, but our skirt is built like it has that shorts inside it, and I am this patli, and short is this much bada. So how can it go in any place? Okay, so Mishri, have you ever done something and you have blamed that thing to others? Like, for example,
Fart.
for example, you broke something like a
Always.
glass or a ceramic, something, you have broken it and you are blaming it on Pranchi or your younger cousin.
Yeah, I've done that a lot of times. A lot of times.
Tell us about that.
Yeah.
I'm really clumsy. I break things a lot. I'm not a liar. But
Oh. Is
She's giving really good background.
Yes.
Dude, no, I'm not a liar. I do not
When
lie.
the-
But you did say, no, you do blame others for.
I blame others, but I do not lie.
Okay.
I just, forward it to someone else.
The reality is really
Yeah,
that was good, but.
it is broken. I'm not saying it is not broken. So technically,
Okay,
it's
so
not
what thing did you break and you
Yeah.
blamed it to others?
and blame who?
I blame
who?
you only.
Yeah, because you are only sister.
When?
What did you?
When? I want the answer.
So I ate my dad's salted chips.
Okay, and you
And
manipulated it.
Yeah, and I, cleaned
And my
it.
dad is not saying anything.
Yeah, my dad didn't say anything.
So why you blame?
My dad.
Yeah.
Mama would have scolded me. Yeah.
But Mama didn't.
Mama did scold. Well, Mama did scold me.
No.
Yeah, she did.
No.
You're just defending yourself. That's it. Have you ever touched someone else's boob by mistake? And
You know this
Yeah,
answer
I know.
because
But
she
I
was
wanted
coming.
them
I was
to know.
I was coming like.
Like I was coming like this.
Yes, I was coming like this, and she was coming like this, and I wanted to go over there to talk to another friend, and she just bumped into me. So what can I do then?
Okay, then it's
I don't have any other option.
then now question.
But because I was not also knowing that she is coming like this,
Like
I was
this?
just and she was like and we did not see that we were both going to bump into each other. So
She's making things up. Sorry.
what are you saying?
One second.
You did know that when it happened to you.
It happened a couple of times.
Yeah, I know. All the rest of the time it was
Yeah,
her
we-
only. She cannot see me, itni badi, because I'm skinny, but still she cannot see. What can I do, Mishri?
Chitti.
Okay.
Pranchi knows कौन झूठ बोलता है Pranchi.
Okay. It's not.
So guys, this is Pranchi,
This is
her
Pranchi.
twin
Yeah.
sister.
Oh,
Oh.
little sister. Chi.
Okay, twins. So my last question, Mishri, you have to tell, also explain. Have you ever stalked your boyfriend's ex-girlfriend and you're like feeling jealous about that girl, or
No, I
don't know,
I
like-
do not get jealous of
Ex-
his ex. No.
and have you like ever stalked that person? And
His
for what
ex?
reason? Yes.
Yeah, obviously I did. Like everyone does.
Yeah, but for what reason did you stalk?
I try to eat it out.
And
Yeah, please. Please.
I don't wanna-
Yes.
Okay. Select anyone.
oh, it's chocolates.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's chocolate syrup.
Oh.
Chocolate syrup.
Okay.
baby.
Okay, yes. I'm so happy.
I don't want to wear chocolate syrup.
Please,
I
it gets
hope
wet.
I eat it.
Okay, now you select anyone. I guess it's
It
good.
good, huh?
No, I guess it's very.
Eat it.
Yeah. Where is chocolate syrup?
Right here.
You can just open it and
Yeah, you should do. This is
do
Yeah.
What are you doing? Eating like a ant.
Yeah, it's not.
I'm on a diet.
So guys, I
Bye.
hope you enjoyed this video. If you
Yeah.
enjoyed this video, then make sure to like my video.
And
Also
follow us
follow
on Instagram.
her on Instagram. Her
And Mania
Instagram.
Jeev.
Tell your Instagram ID.
It's Mishri Patel with 2 L's. In the
Yes,
end.
and mine is Manya __ Patel. And if you like our Jodi, then make sure to comment down below.
I know
If you
we are
want any
funny.
other,
People love us.
yeah, I know. If you want any other videos and video ideas, we comment se bata do, and we'll make another video.
Yes.
So, we have met after 2 months, 3 months.
3 months.
P1C.
Okay, then bye.
Bye.